Today we're making creamed Brussels sprouts with chestnuts and crispy bacon. This is easily the best way to cook Brussels sprouts, and they're perfect for Christmas dinner. There's thinly sliced sprouts, crispy bacon lardons, sliced roasted chestnuts, and a creamy Parmesan sauce. This festive side dish takes very little time to cook and can be prepared ahead of time so you're not rushing around last minute. And it's jam-packed full of flavour. Here's how to make it. So first we need to prep our Brussels sprouts. You'll need 500 grams of sprouts. You'll need to trim the bottoms off and remove any loose outer leaves. Mine came already prepped, but they only take a minute to do if needed. Then once trimmed, we need to thinly slice the sprouts. You could do this with a sharp knife or with a food processor and a slicing attachment. If you wanted to, you could prepare the sprouts a couple of days ahead of time, then store them in the fridge in an airtight container. Then once sliced, we're going to set the sprouts to one side. If you're cutting yours by hand, you'll want to aim for this sort of thickness. Next we've got 8 rashers of streaky bacon and 100 grams of cooked chestnuts. You can buy cooked chestnuts in most supermarkets, and we're just going to thinly slice them. And we're going to cut the bacon into 1 cm lardons. I use smoked bacon, but unsmoked will work as well. If you've cut your bacon in a stack like I did, it's best just to take a minute to separate the layers. The bacon will fry more evenly this way. That's all the prep out of the way, and now it's time to get on with the cooking. So first we're going to add a tablespoon of vegetable oil into a large saucepan and set it over a medium heat. Once the oil's hot, we're going to add in the bacon and cook it until it's crispy. This will take around 5 minutes, and you'll need to stir the bacon frequently so it doesn't burn and cooks evenly. Then once the bacon's cooked, we're going to use a slotted spoon to take it out of the pan and place it into a bowl. Try and leave as much of the bacon fat in the pan as possible. Next we're going to add 20 grams of unsalted butter into the pan and then let it melt. Then we're going to add in all of the sliced sprouts, then season with salt and pepper. Now we just need to cook the sprouts for 2 to 3 minutes until they've just started to soften. You'll need to stir these frequently as well. Once cooked enough, they'll still be a vibrant green colour, and they'll look something like this. At this point we're going to add in 250 grams of double cream and 200 grams of chicken stock. You can use veg stock instead if you'd prefer though. So now we need to bring the cream to a simmer and then cook it until the sauce is reduced by about half. This will take around 4 to 5 minutes. We're still cooking over a medium heat as well, and you'll only need to stir this occasionally. We're looking for the cream and stock to reduce into a thick sauce. This is why we only cooked the sprouts for a couple of minutes originally, it's so they don't discolour. Then once the sauce is ready, we're going to add in the chopped chestnuts and the crispy bacon. Then we're going to cook for another 2 minutes or so, just to warm the chestnuts and bacon through. So now we're going to finish the sprouts off the heat. So here I've got 50 grams of Parmesan. I'm going to grate around 2/3 of it into the sprouts. We'll be grating the rest of it on top once we dish up. We're adding the cheese into the sauce off the heat so it doesn't split. Now we just need to stir the cheese into the sauce and then season to taste with salt and pepper. As the bacon's quite salty, you probably won't need any extra salt. So now your cream sprouts are ready and you want to serve them straight away whilst they're still hot. They're great when served as part of your Christmas dinner, or with leftovers. At Christmas I like to serve my side dishes in bowls so they can be shared. So I'm going to spoon the sprouts into a bowl and then grate the remaining Parmesan from earlier all over the top. And that's how you make a batch of creamed Brussels sprouts with chestnuts and crispy bacon. The full version recipe and loads of other Christmas recipes can be found on my blog saltbuttersmoke.com. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week for another recipe.